Agriculture. Question 1. Which of the following statements about National Agricultural Cooperative Marketing Federation of India, NAFT, are incorrect? 1. One of the objectives of NAFT is to organize, promote, and develop marketing and storage of agricultural and forest produce. 2. NAFT is registered under the Multi-State Cooperative Societies Act. 3. NAFT is also one of the procurement agencies along with FCI. 4. NAFT is the nodal agency to implement price stabilization measures under Operation Green. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. 2 and 4 only. B. 4 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. None of the above. Question 2. Identify the correct statements about Mission for Integrated Development of Horticulture, Myth 1. It is a central sector scheme for the holistic growth of the horticulture sector. 2. In 2014, Chaman, Coordinated Program on Horticulture Assessment and Management using Geoinformatics was initiated under Myth. 3. It also provides technical advice and administrative support to state governments' state horticulture missions, SHMs, for the Saffron Mission. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 3. Which of the following statements are correct about Operation Green? 1. It was launched by the Ministry of Agriculture. 2. Operation Green seeks to stabilize the supply of tomato, onion and potato, top crops and to ensure availability of top crops throughout the country round the year without price volatility. 3. NAFT will be the nodal agency to implement price stabilization measures under Operations Green. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 4. Which of the following are the features of the Model Agriculture Produce and Livestock Marketing Act, 2017? 1. Agricultural Produce and Livestock Market Committee, APLMC, provides recognition of a state UT as a single market. 2. To give freedom to the agriculturalists to sell their produce to the buyers and at the place and time of their choice. 3. Centralization of Market Committee and State UT Marketing Board to streamline their functions. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 5. India is the largest producer of which of the following crops? 1. Coffee. 2. Pulses. 3. Cotton. 4. Oil palm. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1, 2 and 3 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 3 and 4 only. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question 6. Consider the following regarding fisheries sector in India. 1. While inland fisheries are fully managed by state governments, marine fisheries are a responsibility of the central governments. 2. The Government of India has extended the facility of Kisan Credit Card, KCC, to fisheries and animal husbandry farmers to help them meet their working capital needs. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 7. Consider the following statements regarding ENAM. 1. Food Corporation of India is the lead agency for implementing ENAM. 2. ENAM provides single-window services for all Agricultural Produce Market Committee, APMC, related services and information. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 8. About fertilizer subsidy in India. Which statements given below are correct? 1. Indian fertilizer industry is second largest in the world in terms of production and largest in terms of consumption. 2. Urea is the only fertilizer at present with pricing and distribution being controlled statutorily by the government. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 9. Consider the following statements regarding Soil Health Card Scheme. 1. The Soil Health Card Scheme is implemented by the central government in those states and union territories which have approved it. 2. It contains the status of soil with respect to 12 parameters in which the secondary nutrients are nitrogen, N, phosphorus, P, and potassium, K. 3. Under the Soil Health Card Scheme, a farmer will get the soil health card once every 3 years. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 2 only. B. 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. None of the above. Question 10. About the horticulture sector in India, which of the following statements are correct? 1. Horticulture crops are characterized by high-value crops, higher productivity per unit of area and lower requirement of irrigation and input cost. 2. India is the largest producer of horticulture products in the world. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 11. Consider the following statements about cotton production in India and identify the correct statements. 1. Cotton is a kharif crop and grows well in black cotton soil of the Deccan Plateau. 2. India is the highest cotton producing country in the world. 3. The textile industry employs the highest number of people in the country after agriculture. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. All of the above.